These guys right here, these Wi-Fi motion, they're very small and they work really well. So I have them kind of all over my house. They work really good with the Alexa app. There's no hub or anything extra that you need to install, which I really appreciate. And they're really inexpensive. They work with the Smart Life app, but they also work with the Alexa app. Completely fine. They work great. Mine, they basically detect any kind of motion of anyone coming down these steps here, and it turns on these lights at night. And even in the app, I have it only working at nighttime so that we're not, these lights aren't on during the day. So it only, I think it's like, and in the app, you can say at nighttime. So it'll automatically change as the seasons change. So when it's nighttime out, based on the zip code you're in, if it detects motion using a routine within the Alexa app, this will turn those on. If it doesn't detect motion for 15 minutes, it'll turn them off. It's also another routine you can put within the app. That's all built in Alexa. It's really not tied with the motion detector. That's just kind of how I use it. So they work very well, very inexpensive, and very small, which I really like. The other ones are big. There's no reason for that. These ones are great.